So I have a lot of experience working in the clean tech sector, in software and clean technology. I've been a Minister of the Environment. I've worked internationally on environmental and sustainability issues. And one of the big myths about it is that somehow going to a green economy, taking on climate change, becoming carbon net zero is hugely costly and undoable. Well, anyone driving an electric car today isn't going to change it in for an internal gas engine when you look at the pumps and the volatility of fuel costs. This is a whole new world of clean technology where consumers of energy and heating are now called prosumers because their houses generate the energy and that. This is kind of wild. It's going to be a big challenge for utilities in the future, obviously, if their customers are now their suppliers. The electrification of transit is really important. We have New Flyer. We have the largest bus manufacturer in the world that's leading electricity. And now when we bought some buses, we still in 2022 don't have a single electric bus operating on our streets. New Flyer tells me we could electrify the whole system from the bus supply end of it within a decade. And we've got to do that. We also own, in Manitoba, we own our own hydro utility. So we got to get ramped up, we've got to get it prepared, and we've got to electrify our transit system, and that's another way we do it. If you've ever looked at the fuel bill at Winnipeg Transit, it's huge. Our electricity bill would be a lot lower. We'd cut the cost of fueling our vehicles. If anyone knows much about the mechanics and the labor costs of maintaining electric motors versus internal combustion engines, electric motors are a lot less expensive to do that. So when I say that the green revolution is an affordability revolution, I mean it. And as mayor, I'm not only going to green our city, electrify our city, make us an international leader in green innovation. I'm going to do two other things. I'm going to make our energy systems, our housing and our buildings, and our transportation systems way less expensive and way more reliable.